It's raining anyway, so I got the rinsing going on. I might as well go ahead and wash the thing, right? So it's the last night of the 2024 Southern Street Stock Nationals down here at Why Not Motorsports Park. And it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's been raining cats and dogs, but I think this is gonna blow out. They're really good at being able to get tracks back in shape to run. Man, they know what they're doing down here. Anyway, we didn't finish well enough in our B main to get into the last chance race for the main show tonight. So we're going into a contingency feature show instead. But hey, that's a Saturday night feature at a fantastic track. Wash the car up, get everything set the best we can. It's the very end of the night when my race is, and at the end of the night on practice, I had got the car tuned in for that slick really well. So I'm returning all the way back to that. I have kind of tried to make the car work as this track has just changed constantly throughout this event. And I hope you've been seeing that through the videos. Sometimes it's a little frustrating, I'm sorry y'all, but hopefully we're all learning something from that. You gotta remember, car's brand new. Like, I've only got 10 nights on this car, and I feel like these last 3 nights has been an opportunity to really learn a lot, you know, because the track has been very different every time. It's getting closer to time for my race, and I'm sitting here watching my race pass, and I'm looking at lap times to see how much they're slowing down. You know, even a blind dog finds a bone every once in a while. Maybe this is the way that, you know, when you can't run back and forth to the track to try to figure out exactly what the track's going to be, if you know what the lap times are on the track. So like now on this final day, I kind of know what cars turn for lap times to tell me what the conditions of the track are. So like for crate racing street stocks, if you're a flat 15, it's fully hooked up. And when it's completely slowed down, your fastest cars drop all the way back into like the mid 17s. And then turn around on factory stock, it's like a second off of that. And so like I was just watching the factory stocks finish up, and they went through the 5th B main, and they've slowed down. They're in the high 17s is where the factory stocks are. This is useful information because it's showing me for sure the track is slowing down. And I've put my setup on that was where I went on the full slick track at the end of practice night, and the car was really good. It was really good. So that's where I'm at now. So let's hope. All right, I'll see y'all on the track. All right. Thank you. Steering everything. Yeah, I didn't. It was hung up. I didn't realize it was hung up.
Need help?
Hey, unhook that winch cable. I gotta roll it back enough to work on it. That's good. That's good. Huh? Oh, that's right down here. Them U tires rough on the steering box. I'm alright.
Driving a buggy right now, but I
got you.
I know y'all don't come around here a lot.
Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, it's bad. Oh, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. It'll be alright. Hold that one. That should be good right there. I'll just have to sit here and just walk you know. Too far? Hang on, it's be alright. Come on, pull over a little. You have to put your knee on. Look here. Put your knee right there. As it backs out, put your knee on. There you go. Is that going clear? All right. All right, let me.
You got about 2 inches.
Okay, let me get it back over this way, man. That'll be all right. Leave it there. Let it roll. Now get it out of here. I'm gonna get me some 2x4s. Use them. You booger bear, you. Oh, we got her whooped now. Boys, y'all saved my bacon. Y'all saved my bacon. Hell yeah, Hunter. Y'all, this is Hunter. He shows up every Southern Street Stock Nationals and ends up helping me before it's over for the day. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all go catch that factory stock race. I'm good. All I'm gonna do is boom it down. I'm good, y'all.
Hey, you ever come out to Magony?
Yeah, I try to make the golden egg. I didn't make it this year. I'll make it next year.
You ever come out?
I'll look you up, buddy. I'll look you up.
What's going on?
Yes, sir. Thank
Anytime
you.
you're around and I'm there, I'll come.
I got your number.
All right.
You're in my phone.
Be safe getting home.
Yes, sir.
Drive safe.
Well, folks, it is over for us. I am about loaded up and going to get out of here. 2024 Southern Street Stock Nationals is over with for me. I was pretty happy with how it went, believe it or not. I hated getting punted and tore up there in the non-qualifier race that I was in. But, you know, car was great. I mean, I went back to my setup from the original practice night, and there was a brown line down on the bottom. I felt like I was doing a pretty decent job of staying on that line too. So I'm really happy with the progress at this point. I think everything we did this weekend is gonna help us get this car where we need for us to start winning some races. Really appreciate y'all sticking with us throughout this. More good stuff to come. I will see you next time.